Hello and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. This is a show where I discuss about the various elements of the market. And as we wait for people to join in this show, let me just introduce myself. My name is Raja Venkatraman, and I'm part of the Chart Advice team. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader, and I'm also a trading influencer. I've been happily married for more than 15 years, and I have a son who is energetic just like the markets, and he keeps me on the run. Yes, hi Mayur, welcome to Market Ki Baatein. It's a great time for me when I interact with all my viewers, all my followers, and I share with them whatever little bit I know about the markets. And as we wait for people to join in, today the question is something which people have been asking me, and people have been asking me about various elements. People have been asking me to also speak in Hindi, so I will be slipping in between in Hindi as well. क्योंकि मुझे सारे लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट करना है और मेरा मकसद यही है कि मैं जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट कर पाऊँ. सो एज वी गेट इन टू दिस मार्केट और समझे कि हाय कपिल, हाय मिर्चिनी, हाउ आर यू एंड वेलकम टू मार्केट की बातें. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि कौन से आईटी स्टॉक्स में हमें निवेश या ट्रेड करना है और ये स्टॉक्स, क्या आप इस स्टॉक्स पे ट्रेड या निवेश करेंगे. दो स्टॉक्स आर, हाय कपिल. So the stocks which I'm going to be discussing today is from the IT space. So I'm going to be having a sector-based discussion every week. So today we are going into the most celebrated index which normally doesn't move. आज हम देख रहे हैं कि IT stocks में काफ़ी बढ़ोतरी है and that's why आज हम चूज करेंगे IT stocks में से the big ones, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, टेकएम और एनआईटी टेक. ये सारे पांचों स्टॉक्स में से कौन से स्टॉक्स में आप ट्रेड या इन्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे. क्या मैं जान सकता हूं आप लोग से कि विच स्टॉक्स वुड यू लाइक टू पार्टिसिपेट इन. डू यू हैव एनी पोजीशंस इन देम और डू यू फील दैट यस आई शुड बी लुकिंग एट ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग इन दिस नाउ. व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट इट. कैन आई हैव सम व्यू फ्रॉम योर साइड on these stocks, because IT stocks are okay. Mayur, TCS, okay. Kapil is also for TCS. So vote is for which stock? Okay. Mayur says TCS, Kapil says TCS. What about the others? Others are still wondering क्या करना है. No problem. So considering the way how the IT stocks are positioned and considering the way we are looking at the IT sector itself इतनी तेजी से चल रहा है 18,000 के ऊपर. it is continuously trying to go. So all our focus is to find out how to handle this. The index is moving strongly and other stocks are also following up. That's why the index is moving up. But then what we are finding is that around 18,000, 18,000 के पास दर काफ़ी सारा रेजिस्टेंसेस आ रहा है. उसकी वजह से द इंडेक्स इज नॉट एबल टू मूव अप. सो फ्रॉम द स्टॉक्स विच वी हैव सेलेक्टेड, द 5 stocks, so what I will be doing is I will be doing some bit of small analysis on those stocks and I'll be telling you my opinion on them, and that way it will help you to get you some idea about these IT stocks, how are they positioned and what should we be doing the way forward. So that is what is going to be the line of discussion. और इसमें हम देखेंगे कि IT stocks कैसे हैं, इसमें क्या करना है और जो 5 स्टॉक्स जो मैंने सेलेक्ट किया है उसमें से कौन से स्टॉक में हम कोई कारोबार कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट. सो या हेलो मीत. We will look into different sectors each time. So today's theme is on IT. So and on IT I have selected these 5 stocks as the ones which have been actively tracked. तो हर हफ्ते I'll be selecting one sector और उस सेक्टर में से जो एक्टिव स्टॉक्स है उसके नाम में लिस्ट करूंगा और पहले उस स्टॉक्स के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे और उसके बाद हम लोग दूसरे स्टॉक में जाएंगे. तो ऐसे मोस्ट एक्टिव स्टॉक्स पे हमें ध्यान देना है, राइट. सो उस सेक्टर के जो एक्टिव स्टॉक्स है उस पर हम ध्यान देंगे, बिकॉज द टाइम लिमिट ऑफ दिस सेशन इज लिमिटेड। सो इसमें मैं ये स्टॉक्स पे फोकस करना चाहूँगा, सो दैट आपका भी उस पर कोई व्यू बना रहे मेरे हिसाब से। ऑलराइट, now I would like to give you some opinion. So many of you said I am fine, thank you Meet. I am going to be sharing with you some opinion about TCS. TCS में क्या हो गया है कि जो स्ट्रॉन्ग मूव आने के बाद इट इज गॉट स्टक इन अ रेंज ऑफ अराउंड 2300 टू 2250, तो 2300 से 2250 के बीच एक दायरे में फंस गया है TCS। और उसकी वजह से वेन एवर इट इज ट्राइंग टू रैली, it is witnessing steady supply, and that's why it has got stuck in a range. So investing into TCS at the moment would not be the best approach. So if you want to trade on invest on TCS, it is not on the buy side, but you could trade it on the short side for a pullback. तो pullback के हिसाब से अगर आप देखना चाहेंगे तो 2200 zone is a good zone to watch out for a multi-day perspective. From a longer time frame perspective, it will have to go almost towards 2100. So till that there is a lot of time, but right now a pullback towards 2200 would be a good zone to watch out for in TCS. Now going to Nifty, इन्फी में आप देखेंगे तो इन्फी में जो रिजल्ट के बाद जो स्ट्रॉन्ग मूव आई, उसके बाद इन्फी ने काफ़ी अच्छी प्रदर्शन दिखाई, बट लेकिन उतना अच्छा प्रदर्शन दिखाने के बाद इन्फी में अब भी देयर इज नो मोमेंटम सीन राइट नाउ, एंड ऑन द इन्फी वी आर सीइंग, एज फार एज द मोमेंटम इज कंसर्न, वी आर सीइंग समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ नेगेटिव डाइवर्जेंस, और उसकी वजह से देयर इज सम स्टडी सप्लाई इमर्जिंग एट द हायर लेवल्स। और इन्फी लीडरशिप स्टॉक अच्छी रिजल्ट के बाद जो गैप अप आई, जो स्ट्रॉन्ग गैप अप आई इन मिड जुलाई, उसके बाद जो मूव दिखा हमने, the move sustained quite well, and now it is not able to cross the 1000 levels, and around those levels there are some steady supply. अगर आप चार्ट के दायरे में से आप देखेंगे तो there are small body candles which is signaling that not much of participation. So because of less participation on the higher levels, we are not having some positive move on the infi. So now we come down to stock number 3. Stock number 3 is Techem. अगर आप Techem की चार्ट देखेंगे, Techem रुक रुक के चल रहा है, और now it is trying to cross the 700 mark. Yes, there are steady attempts, but then it is having a start and stop philosophy which you can say in Techem. तो Techem रुक रुक के जाने की वजह से आपको देखना है कि, लेकिन ओवरऑल मोमेंटम Techem का अच्छा है, और अगर आप मिड कैप आईटी स्टॉक्स में से आप देखेंगे तो टेकएम इज डूइंग प्रीटी वेल, एंड टेक महिंद्रा looks to cross 700 in the near future, and the overall setup is continuing to remain bullish. उसका जो मोमेंटम सेटअप है वो भी बरकरार है, और आपको टेकएम एक पॉजिटिव एंगल से आपको टेकएम देखना चाहिए। इंस्टेड ऑफ TCS एंड इन्फी आई वुड प्रिफर टेकएम, as it is also a decently fast moving stock. Now the other stock which I had suggested as one of the options and which everyone tracks, and it moved well today also, was Wipro. Wipro is showing some upside and trying to cross the 300 zone. Today it rebounded from 280 levels, and उसका जो momentum setup है that also continues to remain on the positive side. So Wipro is also showing us a good play. But Wipro is a slow mover, so if anyone wants to participate in Wipro, then they have to have a stop loss below 260 zone. So whatever levels I'm saying out of my own analysis, you can decide what kind of stop loss you want to place, because Wipro momentum continues to be intact, but then the movement could be much slower. Now if you move to the fifth stock, which was NIT Tech. NIT Tech is the best IT stock in terms of the move. The kind of move which you see in NIT Tech is really brilliant. But what has happened is after today's rise, what you see Okay, what you see on the charts, is a shooting star. Okay, it's called as a shooting star. What does a shooting star mean in NIT Tech? शूटिंग स्टार मीन्स जहां पर बॉडी छोटी होती है और शैडो लंबा होता है. तो उसका मतलब क्या है कि ऊपर की तरफ सप्लाई आ रही है और सप्लाई आने की वजह से इसकी जो ऊपर जाने की जो चढ़ाई है दैट इज गेटिंग स्टॉप्ड, एंड बिकॉज द राइस इज गेटिंग स्टॉप्ड it is not possible for the price to move much higher. Yes, shooting star is an indication. Okay, it is an indication. Everything is an indication. मार्केट में सब एक नजरिया है. जहां पर किसी को लगता है कि मुझे बेचना है, वहीं पर किसी को लगता है कि मुझे लेना है. तो ये दो लोग मिलते हैं और एक ट्रांजैक्शन बन जाता है. तो इसी तरह NIT टेक में इस ऊंचाई पर भी यहाँ पर एक शूटिंग स्टार बन गया है, विच इज अ सप्लाई और अ नेगेटिव कैंडल. नाउ वी हैव टू सी इफ देर इज अ मूव. ओके, इफ देर इज अ मूव बिलो टूडेज लो, then it could trigger a sharp fall in NIT Tech, and it is one of the best moving stocks. So those who are watching this video and are actually active traders in the market, they should definitely look at NIT Tech. If you have not seen this chart of NIT Tech, or if you have never traded NIT Tech, then NIT Tech is the chart to be. और अगर उसको आपको ठीक तरह से ध्यान रखना है और IT स्टॉक्स में कौन से स्टॉक्स अच्छी तरह से मूव हो रहा है वो आपको देखना है, तो उसके बारे में न्यू ट्रेडर से बेहतर आपको कोई सॉफ्टवेयर में आपको पता नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि न्यू ट्रेडर एग्जैक्टली ट्रैक्स हाउ एवरी सेक्टर इज मूविंग, हाउ एवरी स्टॉक इज मूविंग, व्हाट इज अ काइंड ऑफ situation which is building up in that stock, and how you can come down to the right kind of stock and take suitable action. So this is what new trader does. It guides you like a Google map और आपको बताता है कि exactly कौन से स्टॉक पे आपको काम करना है, and that's what is our aim. Just like you are sharing your time with me on this platform, तो उसी तरह न्यू ट्रेडर भी आपका समय बचाता है. कैसे? आपको बताएगा कि कौन से स्टॉक पे काम करना है, कौन से सेक्टर पे काम करना है, कौन से सेक्टर पे ध्यान देना है, कौन से सेक्टर पे ध्यान नहीं देना है. इतने सारे चीजें हैं, इतने सारे उलझन है मार्केट में, उसको रख के हम हमेशा ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, निवेश करते हैं, ये सारा चीज करते हैं. लेकिन अगर कोई आपको मदद करेगा टू एंश्योर दैट ये सब चीज आपको नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ पैसे कमाना है थोड़े आराम से. अगर आपको ऐसे आराम से पैसे कमाना है तो न्यू ट्रेडर जैसा सॉफ्टवेयर आज तक इंडिया में बना नहीं है. Why am I saying this with so much confidence? Because I use it every day, and this is the kind of analysis which I am coming to. And based on this new trader analysis, I am able to go down and look at the charts in a better way. न्यू ट्रेडर के साथ आप चार्ट्स और अच्छी तरह देख सकते हैं. आपको चार्ट नहीं देखना है तो भी आप चार्ट मत देखें, डजेंट मैटर. So now for those who are looking to get aggressive long on the IT, so I would just caution those who have not seen my video on Nifty IT and other indices, you can go and take a look at our YouTube channel, Chart Advice Profits for You. There I have been continuously explaining some levels which you need to watch out for, and Nifty IT, Bank Nifty. So I am specializing on analyzing the indices in that particular video, so you can go down and take a look at that. Markets moved very much in line with the way I had analyzed yesterday, and I'll be coming out with my video today as well. So this was what was my take on the 5 IT stocks which I had said. I hope you got some insight onto the IT sector itself, the active stocks from the IT space itself. And if you're having any questions on the IT sector, if you're having any question on the IT space, you can shoot out right now. We can have a brief chat. Otherwise, it's an end of today's session as we move along to doing other activities as well. Yes, you can go down to our website trade.chartadvice.com. You can go to neotrader.in, otherwise you can go to neotrader.in. That's our website, and let me just type this out for you. You can visit this website, create an account for yourself, and you can see the power of NeoTrader. We'll be holding certain other webinars also where we will demonstrate the power of NeoTrader. It has been done, designed and curated by Dr. Narayan himself, and using all his entire experience, we have made the software in such a way. It's an algo based software where we show you how to look at the markets, how to look at the sector, and how to basically get a picture. Market is not just about one stock or one sector. Market एक पूरा picture बनाना है आपको. You have to fit the puzzle. Market is a series of puzzle. You need to keep fitting that puzzle every day. It's not easy, but then if you practice it every day, and that's what I show in my training programs, I show how to fit the puzzle every day. And that's why people are coming to us and trying to understand how to fit the puzzle, where to place the pieces, how to see the market, how to look at the context, and how to get a proper understanding. Market is all about how you get a proper understanding in any situation, and that's what we believe in, and that's what we want to do, and that's what we want to share with everyone. And that's why I'm here every day. I try to come every day, but now I'll be changing the format a little bit. Today we are going to discuss about the stocks and other elements. I'll be coming up with another show, and that's a surprise which I'll be announcing on the Twitter sometime soon. So I hope all of you got some insight, and I would like you to leave your comments on the comment section below. What did you understand? What did you interpret from this particular session which you had today? So that I'll also know exactly whether you got some takeaway from this session on Market Ki Baatein. I'll be coming up once again on Thursday with a different question, but then I want you guys to put in your question as well. So that will make it more interesting, more engaging. So yes, friends, any questions for me, or we have come to an end of today's session? Yes, entrepreneur, we'll continue this live series. I'll be announcing a different show right now. In few days from now, I'll be announcing a different show. It'll be on a different subject, but relating to the market. If you all like this, what I have discussed, do share this video with your group. Do share this video with whomever you think will benefit from this discussion. And if they are aggressively long on IT, then you need to share this. Yes, we'll be doing on every sector. All right. There's a new twist I have brought into Market Ki Baatein, considering the kind of feedback which I have received. लोग कहते हैं जरा हिंदी में भी बात करो. I am not a predominantly Hindi guy, you know from my name, but I try to ensure that whatever little Hindi I know, whatever little market knowledge I have, I like to share it with you guys. No, penny stocks is best left alone. Penny wise, pound foolish. We all know that proverb. So don't chase penny stocks unless you have got very solid information which sometimes falls flat on your face. It's better that you go behind some solid research and some solid stocks. Okay guys, I'll call it a day then. Okay, one more question coming up. Which type of trader are you? I am a swing and a multi-day trader. I'm a swing and a multi-day trader. Yeah. There'll be some different themes on this also. I'll be sharing some insights on all styles of trading as well. All right. So with that, I'll sign off. Thank you for sparing your time and being part of this live feed. We'll be coming up with more such queries and questions. And if you're not part or if you're not following us on Instagram, I would like you to follow us on Instagram right now if you're watching this video for the first time. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm part of the Chartered Advice team. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader, and I'm also a trading influencer. I've been happily married for more than 15 years, and I have an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Thank you. Have a good day.